Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I will be doing some twists in my daughter's hair. I'm not going to do the standard box parts. I'm going to free part this one, so stay tuned and watch the rest of the video.
Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. Bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better, life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better, life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord up above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'm still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Even wanna start fake beef. Just a little beef in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice along. So she being tame. They'd rather be wild. This is brandy. They wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name. Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. They fuss you out. Hate me. Read my problems. Suck my all of that talking. I'm calling it out. Calling opinions from private accounts. Not a check. Then you gotta bounce. Back of the drip. Come get it now. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. This is mad. This is trash. This is a grouch. See me win. They gotta hurt. Ouch. So when they see me, what they gon' do? Up on the couch. Back.
Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, baby, later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Trendy city, phony kisses, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey, Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chubby, look around. Find one that seems my type. Damn, my dog, and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is, I meet a girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing, though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Beauty city, phone me kisses. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Well, I see, I can show tonight.
Cardi's bumping, Molly's stomping, Jacka's on my mind. We's in the air with my cares. Do this all the time.
As always, guys, thank you for tuning into my video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and that notification bell so that you do not miss any uploads for future videos.
I'ma get some, baby. Feeling like bitch, ain't shit change. Fucking with the clear, man. Getting with the clear, man. Song goes. Listen, feel like I'm geeking, I'm freaking, I'm freaking. Paper just ain't for sure, baby. Gotta let these haters know, baby.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold rank. Don't hold no rank. Pretty ass, villain ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up around me, nigga, and I'm playing when I'm women for the kitty. Got my phone goddamn. Do it for my niggas in the coast right now. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills, and they running for the boy right now. Goddamn, by the time of the year, we are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Don't you wanna fuck me now? Don't you wanna love me down? Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm done. Forget niggas show me something. Nigga like that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Don't you wanna fuck me now? Don't you wanna love me down? Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm done. Forget niggas show me something. Nigga like you owe me something. Push it on a pussy like a button. Can't put time for it. Still getting ready in the function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now, always got shit jumping.
Hey, nice to meet. Hey, who you be? Yeah, peace. That's how peace. Gotta clap into this beat. She invite me to her crib. I walk in, she say my heat. She say, but I live in the hills. That's just the way I sleep. Stop that madness, I'm a savage. In traffic with my key levels. Bad bitch, and she Spanish. I'm fired, they got a muscle. We get nasty, I'm retarded. She know a nigga ain't average.
Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the